What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to recover or restore deleted photos and videos in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open gallery. Now in gallery, if you have deleted something mistakenly, then you can recover it by tapping on this menu icon. Now from here, tap on recycle bin, and here you are going to find everything that you have deleted in past 30 days. So if you have deleted something before 30 days, then you will not be able to recover that. So from here, tap on edit and select the photos and videos that you want to recover, and after selecting, tap on restore, and then those images or videos will be restored back to their previous album. So that's how you can recover or restore deleted photos and videos in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.